the 2017 megavolts Agusta Brutale 800, which is now available in the USA. New features of the Brutale 800 include a redesigned passenger seat, concealed passenger handles, revised rear light, LED blinkers, along with a new instrument panel, handlebar and controls.At. At the heart of the 2017 Brutale 800 is a revised 3-cylinder with counter-rotating crankshaft that meets Euro 4 standards. The engine produces 116 horsepower at 11,500 revolutions per minute, and torque increases by 25% to 61 feet-per-pound at 7,600 revolutions per minute. MV Agusta says 90% of that torque is already available at 3,800 revolutions per minute. Other new features include an electronic ease 2.0 shift assist for clutchless up, down shifting, a hydraulic slipper clutch, and an 8-level traction control system. The 2017 megavolts Agusta Brutale 800 also had a major chassis redesign, including a longer 51.1 inches wheelbase, plus 0.8, and extended trail that is now 4.07 inches, previous model 3.74 inches. The Brutale 800 uses a 43mm Marzocchi fork with 4.9 inches of travel, and a Sachs shock absorber that's attached to the single-sided swing arm. Brembo brakes are used, with 320mm floating discs up front squeezed by 4 piston calipers, and a 220mm rear disc out back squeezed by a 2-piston caliper. The 2017 megavolts Agusta Brutale 800 also arrives with Bosch ABS 9 Plus, and is fitted with Pirelli Diablo Rosso 3 tires.